Spring cleaning part 1 because my house is a mess. Starting with the mini fridge, let's restock it. First, I'm filling the mini bottles. Green Gatorade, I'm gonna try my best to pour it nicely. Berry. Smaller ones will have coconut water. Those are going on the middle shelf. Now I'm gonna fill the mini containers. Fruit snacks and gushers. And the bigger ones will hold fruit. Grapes, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. Those are going on the bottom shelf. Strawberry soda's going up here. Can't forget the Lunchables and Capri Sun because I'm a whole child. Charcuterie bites, is that how you say it? The door has the coconut water, Poppy, mochi in the freezer, and that's pretty much it. I give it a week.
Restock $1,000 worth of grocery with us. Ryan starts by steam cleaning the fridge while I rinse the produce. The most common question we get is how often do we grocery shop? We do one big grocery haul a month and we may go back once or twice for dairy and produce, but this stuff generally lasts us all month. Another question we get asked is if we take things out of their packaging, how do we know when they expire? So I made a whole video dedicated to this question as well as where do we store our leftovers. I just got this pickle container and I'm already obsessed. No more having to fish pickles out of the juice, and it can also be used for olives. And as always, all the containers I'm using came from Amazon and they can be found by clicking the link on my profile. If you've watched any of my previous restocks, then you'll know that I swear by this egg one. It is my absolute favorite. Next, I add the kids' juice boxes and snacks into these pull-out trays that save us a ton of space in the fridge. Then I start adding all the drinks into the dispenser. They come out just as they would at a grocery store. I have these drawers for produce and all the condiments are on a Lazy Susan. Then this is just me showing you how everything works and how quick and easy it is to access everything. Then here are both doors to the refrigerator as well as our freezer. Make sure you come back to see how we restock the pantry.